installation 2. Um, so here is if you want to download. Okay, if you want to download the source code for the version I'm using, just go to pre-release, and you can also go to release to download it so you can run. But I'm just gonna be showing you around. So as you can see, Shiba 0.6. This is the newest. Well, it's a pre-release. You're reading this. I don't know. 0.6 pre-release. I think you can read that. You can pause. Shiba release. Let me just. Why can I delete a file in my own computer? Oh, but that will work. So there's a new file, and this should help it. So it should be able to run. If it doesn't, then I don't know. I probably forgot something. Okay. You could just do the readme. It just tells you all the things. Okay, so if we run Shiba DOS, just make a new installation, fresh installation, what will actually happen is it will crash. This is because I was lazy. Abort has been called, blah blah blah, debug error, abort. And this may look like a serious issue, but let me just reassure you that after this, it will run. So this is another new feature that I added. There are a lot of new things, and you look from the last release. As you can see, you can rename the directory. So let's say if you want to kind of customize it, I guess you can rename Sheeb64 to Sheeb60, no, Sheeb32 to Sheeb64, and then that's it. Another thing I added, in fact, is apps. So basically, if you do any of these apps, and if you try to run it, it will not work. Let me just get rid of help, and then if you go to run it, help, it says error. That error is corrupted. Help is an invalid command. For entire list of commands, type help because it's removed. And let me just do nf. Oh yeah, nf test text.txt, and then it should be created. Write text.txt. That's another new feature. This is Doge. Now, if we were to remove let's say flip. I'm doing that way more frequently than I did last time. Just flip. You flipped tails. You flipped heads. You flipped heads. You flip heads. You flip tails. You flip heads. You flip tails. You get the idea. So that works. But what will happen is, wait, what if I do this? What will happen is if you try to remove, like, let's say, flip, well, flip, error, because it will be removed. See, that used to work. But so when math, it will work. Well, that's kind of breaking the laws of physics, but 8, error invalid number. Yeah, well, I did not see that math again, and then you see it no longer works. If you do it right, the command that worked previously, well, right Doge, right Doge. Yeah. If you do read, it will work, but if you do read and you type read, I think you get it. But let's just watch me delete all of the system files just for the heck of it. And as you can see, the commands that used to work, but of course some of the commands are okay. It's kind of weird how you get like help even though it's deleted, but I thought that was a kind of cool feature I added. But some of the commands still work for, let's say, change log. I have never changed this. I haven't touched it yet. And what else is another command? Oh yeah, so you don't have to write IAF anymore. You can now do write, and it will work. Now I think I added a new command. I remember adding a new command. Wolf. Okay, I don't know what happened to that. So I might actually in future releases get rid of CLS, but I also might be release. You know what? In the next version, we're gonna have command.sheeb. That's basically if you get rid of this, it just breaks the whole entire thing. So what if I do Control Z means and I think end of file. Oh yeah, yep, end of file. So now what if you try to delete sheep 32 while it's running? Yep, it will just not it will not let you. So it kind of gives you that illusion that it's it's real, but it's actually just like it's made to look real, basically. So right, hope. I just find it satisfying just seeing that all the things are dead. Yeah, um, I'm probably dragging this video pretty long, but I just trying to remember like maybe I remember like Wolf9. Oh yeah, Wolf9. That still uses the old format. Stupid text, and I forget to make it so it appears that but I'm Wolf9 too. And then it gives you a whole entire article about Doge because well Shibis. And that's pretty much it. Um, Generic ending.